Mark. That Cartoon Network and to Parsley can stay. Where's my phone? It's been 5:11 p.m. 5 a.m. 5:00 a.m. and it's August 1, 2009. Brian Lucky is August 1, 2009. An dinosaur. Yeah. Hey Stacy, wake up. What, Mark? Wait, what the motherfucker is that? Is this a day? Nah, it's 9 a.m. Eat it. Oh, sorry. Check it now. Oh yeah. Don't watch some Cartoon Network hijack, okay? Okay. Goodbye. See you later. Bye. I could watch some Disneyland. It was very fun. Watching some motherfucker. Fuck. Shit. My. Mamma mia's my. Oh my pretty. Starting now. Okay. Motherfucker. Motherfuckers, that is just like the September. This message is being broadcast by the Pensator Public. The videos are being hijacked. Hijack for possible danger warning. Please stay calm. Please follow the instructions. Step 1 is hijacking. You no idea what to do to watch some cartoon. Step 2 is cutting to blah. Black to black screen. You don't know what the heck? And in step 3, motherfuckers that why is not talking? Step 3, 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 what the motherfucker? I ain't together. I ain't the mama. When traveling your broadcast, possible danger warning. A strange alert was as Amber Alert to this channel. Please turn off your TV and don't watch some New Zealand or Cartoon Network. Do not make a sound and do not watch this or the animal will kill you or your eyes will explode. What the heck is that? Please good luck and stay safe. Stay indoors. Rose and eyes will explode. Hey, what's going on? Send what? Motherfucker! There we go. What's going on? Send broadcast will explode as eyes for us. What the motherfucker? You need to get that. Shh! The animal will kill us or eyes will get explode. Okay. Just be quiet. Oh yeah, I know. Hello there. Mark. Hey. Shh. Don't make a sound. Oh yeah. You don't listen to me. I'm going to stone your eyes. No, your eyes gonna be explode. There we go. No! Bro. Yeah. No, not this. That's why you're not listening to me. But that's not video. Don't watch some Disney and Cartoon Networks. Goodbye, idiots. That's not video. Bye bye, guys.